नमस्कार, मैं सुधीर, आईना वर्ल्ड न्यूज़ में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम भोपाल के समीप गोलखेड़ी के पास में आनंद तीर्थ विद्या मंदिर शिक्षा प्रकल्प है, जो कि माता वेदरी पर स्थित है और सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर द्वारा संचालित यह शिक्षा प्रकल्प बच्चों को यहाँ पर रहकर शिक्षा देता है, रखकर शिक्षा देता है और इतनी गहन शिक्षा, इतना अच्छा अध्ययन बच्चों का ये शिक्षा प्रकल्प में कराया जाता है। ऐसे ही दो बालक संदेश चौहान एक हमारे साथ ये हैं और हम इनसे मिलवाएंगे आपको कि ये आखिरकार अपनी शिक्षा को किस तरह से ग्रहण कर रहे हैं और कितनी अच्छी शिक्षा पा रहे हैं, जिससे कि आप सभी के बच्चे भी इन बच्चों को देख के प्रेरित होंगे और इनसे कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिलेगा। संदेश चौहान, हमारे आईना वर्ल्ड न्यूज़ में आपका स्वागत है। आप किस विद्यालय में, मतलब इस विद्यालय में जो पढ़ रहे हैं, तो इसका पूरा परिचय हमारे श्रोताओं को दें।
This school is very good school and its name is Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, Mata Vedri Shahpur, and it is affiliated to Vidya Bharati, and it is very good school. And there is a very good teachers in school, and every day after the prayer period we do some activities for student. It's a very good activities. It's 5 activities. Then there is a very good teachers in this school, and every teacher teach something new in every day, something give new knowledge of world. Then in the 1 week one teacher come and teach us about something Vedanta.
Okay. मतलब आप हमें ये बताएं कि यहाँ पे जो अंग्रेजी माध्यम से ही पढ़ाया जाता है कि हिंदी और संस्कृत वगैरह ये सारे विषय यहाँ पर पढ़ाए जाते हैं?
No, it's a Hindi medium school, but there is a very good teacher of English spoken, Sanskrit and Vedanta teacher also.
अच्छा, तो व्हाट इज योर वेदांत, मतलब क्या वेदांत क्या है आपकी नज़र में? आप वेदांत को क्या समझते हैं?
Vedanta is the end of Ved, because in the end of Ved, the Vedanta teach about the Sanatana Dharma. But what is Sanatana Dharma? So if we want to learn about the Sanatana Dharma, so first we have to read Gita, because Gita is the conclusion of Vedanta. So when we read Gita, so Gita start via Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samveta Yuyutsava Mameka Pandavashreva Kim Kurvata Sanjaya. It's the first sloka of Gita. And the last sloka is Yatra Yogeshwar Krishna Yatra Partha Dhanurdhara Tatra Shri Vijaya Rutir Nitir Matir Mama. It's the last sloka of Gita. So we take the first word from the first sloka, dharma and mama. When we take these two words, mam dharma, what is my dharma? So what is my dharma? So in the Gita, dharma divided in 4 parts. The first is the brahmachari. Brahmachari is it's a time for student. It's a study time for student. Every student do study in this time. And the second, grahastha. In the grahastha we earn money for our child. Then Vanaprastha. Now the home control have our child, so we can't do anything, so we go away from our child. Then sannyas. In the sannyas we do the job of Parmeshwara. What is Parmeshwara? If we want to learn about Parmeshwara, so we have to read Nirvan Shatkam, and we will have to say that Parmeshwara is not any other thing. I am Parmeshwara. So when we talking about a Parmeshwara, so Adi Shankaracharya wrote about a Parmeshwara, Nirvan Shatkam. Nirvan means Parmeshwara, Shatkam means 6 sloka. So in the 5 sloka, Adi Shankaracharya wrote Parmeshwara is not developed, I am not that, I am not that. But in the last sloka, Adi Shankaracharya wrote, who am I? The first is Mano Buddhi Hankar Chittani Naham. Nacha Shrota Jibve, Nacha Grahana Netre, Nacha Vyoma Bhumir, Na Tejo Navayu, Chidananda Rupa, Shivom Shivo. Means I am not a mana, because mana is a flow of thoughts. Mana means a flow of thoughts, every day thinking something new. And buddhi means intellect take decision, because nishayatmika buddhi. And chitta means memory, chitta means memory. I meet you, after some year I will also meet you, so then it's my memory. And aham means not ego, aham means my personality. I am Sandesh Chauhan, I can say that it's aham.
Okay.
And the second thing is Manobuddhi Ahankar Chittani Naham Nacha Shrota Jibbe Nacha Grahana Nacha Vyoma Bhumir Na Tejo Na Vayu. Means I am not 5 elements, because I am not Vayu, I am not Agni, I am not Akash, I am not Jal. So I am not five elements. Adi Shankaracharya write about Parameshwara. I am not elements. I am not the five senses. I am not a Jnanendri. I am not a five senses. I am Tat Chidananda Roop. Anybody can't explain Tat Chidananda Roop. I also can't explain this because it's a Tat Chidananda Roop. It's a roop of Parameshwara. It's a form of Parameshwara. Anybody can't explain it. Only feel it because it's away from the senses. So we can't feel it. So Satya means what is true. True means now I am here. After 100 years I will not here. So I am not true. But Parameshwara is true because it's everywhere and every time. And Sat Chidananda Roop. Chitta means in the memory. And it's enjoying every time. So Sat Chidananda Roop. And the last slok is Aham Nirvikalpo Nirakar Rupo Vibhutvat Sarvatra Sarvendriyanam Nacha Sangatam Neva Namtirnameya Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. Means is that I am not optionable. I am not optionable. And I am Nirvikalpa. I have not saved. And I am away from the Mukti. Because Mukti is not a Parameshwara. I am away from the Mukti. When you do your good work, you will go in a heaven. So the heaven, if you will go in a heaven, so the heaven person give you one job of any god. Then if your good work complete, then it will throw in this world. They will throw in this world. So it's Mukti is not Parameshwara. It's away from the five senses. It's a Satchidanand Roop. Shivoham Shivoham.
वेरी नाइस। अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज़ और बताएं संदेश चौहान जी, आपके यहाँ कुछ इनोवेशन वगैरह भी होते हैं?
Yes.
किस तरह के इनोवेशंस होते हैं?
In this school, it's a very good school because after the period we do some activities. The first activity's name is a innovation club.
Okay.
It's a very good club of a student. Which student wants to learn about a science? Because in this club, every student do every day something new practical.
Okay.
For just like we have some practical in our science book, so it will perform. This will perform in the prayer hall and teach about what is this practical and what is the use of then knowledge bank. In the knowledge bank, knowledge bank is a very good group because it gives us everyday 5 questions of GK. Then teach about the plants, botanical name, what is it used, and then creativity. In the creativity is a very good because in this creativity every student make new things. Okay. New things in our own make best to best.
Okay.
Then positivity. In this positivity, the positivity club is very good because they give motivation. Just like I saw 2 persons, Ram Shyam Bhaiya. They was very poor, but they go to in karate and they won international 7 times. So it's a very good. Every day student give a very good motivation story. And then critical thinking science. In this critical thinking science, it gives us a very good thing. Every day doing some question of reasoning, which help in a competition exam. So this I think.
अच्छा, यहाँ पर एक समाचार पटल भी लगा हुआ है, तो समाचार पटल क्यों लगा हुआ है? यहाँ बच्चे कुछ समाचार वगैरह लिखते हैं, क्या करते हैं, वो क्यों लगाया गया है?
In the Samachar Patal, we have a team for Samachar Patal. In the Samachar Patal, we have a Adhyaksh, Upadhyaksh and Sachiv. So every student go in a village. So then he takes some news, some other news, some worlds of news, and some use some things which in his village, and then he collect this news. And the Adhyaksh sign this news. Now you can take this news and pinch in a patal board, means a samachar patra board. So then, and every day some student write some patrikas. Okay. Some
per day usko update karna.
Yes. Every week some student write some patrikas in school and then print it and give some and give teachers. And it's the patal board is very good board because if we ask about a GK question, so then student write it and pinch on a patal board. So then any student go, so he he can read news of village, he can read news of world, and he can read the question of GK and reasoning question also.
तो देखा दर्शकों, हमने एक ऐसे माता वेदरी आनंदतीर्थ शिक्षा प्रकल्प जो कि सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर द्वारा संचालित है, एक ऐसे स्टूडेंट से, एक ऐसे विद्यार्थी से मिलवाया कि उसने वेदांत के जो मीनिंग आपको बताए, शायद अपने आप में बड़े विशेष हैं। तो संदेश चौहान जी, हमें एक सवाल का और जवाब दें। आपका जो आवासीय विद्यालय है, इस विद्यालय में सारे विद्यार्थियों की क्या दिनचर्या होती है?
So in this school, in the आवासीय क्षेत्र, in the छात्रावास, so the student get up for 40 o'clock, then they get fresh for 40 o'clock to 5 o'clock, then they take shoes and doing some warm up, and then they go to for running. They go to for running 5-10 o'clock. Then after the 5-10 o'clock, in this time 5-10 o'clock to 6, 5-10 o'clock to 6, in this time they do running, exercises and hard work. Then they came 6 o'clock, then 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. In this time, student take bath, then they do study, then do yagya, then after the yagya, the 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, they prepare his bag and take breakfast. Then 9 o'clock they go to school and come here 2 o'clock. Then they take rest 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Then they get up and doing self-study 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. After that 4 o'clock, they go to for play, and after that 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Then 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. They go to in a RCS Shakha. It's a very good thing, RCS Shakha. Then 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock doing Sandhya Vandan. After that Sandhya Vandan, they go to in his hostel and doing self study 8 o'clock. Then 8 o'clock to 10:30 o'clock, they study, then the English spoken teacher come and teach them about spoken English. Then one competition exam teachers also come here and teach them about competition exam. Then 4:30 o'clock they take 1 glass milk, then they sleep.
नाइस। तो देखा दोस्तों, इस विद्यालय, आवासीय विद्यालय की क्या क्या विशेषताएं, क्या क्या खूबियां संदेश चौहान ने हमें बताई। आप सभी से ये अनुरोध है, एक बार इस आवासीय विद्यालय में आप जरूर आए, घूमें, और अपने बच्चों को स्टडी कराने का भी अगर आप निर्णय ले रहे हैं तो ये भी बहुत अच्छा विचार आपके मन में है। उसी तारतम्य में हमारे साथ दूसरे स्टूडेंट हैं राम चौहान। इनका भी क्या थिंक है, क्या विचार है, ये भी हम आप दर्शकों को दिखाना चाहते हैं। राम जी, आपका हमारे आईना वर्ल्ड न्यूज़ में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। राम जी, मुझे सबसे पहले तो आप अपने स्कूल का और अपना परिचय दें।
नमस्कार, माय नेम इज़ राम चौहान। आई स्टडी सरस्वती शिशु विद्या मंदिर, माता वेदी, शाहपुर बाय विद्यावती।
ओके, आपकी नज़रों में शिक्षा क्या है? मतलब आप शिक्षा को किस तरह दृष्टिकोण से देखते हैं?
शिक्षा सेज आई एम नॉट स्लेव ऑफ अ पावर, आई एम नॉट king of a law, I am not copy of a art, I am not friend of science, I am return of a religion, I am master of human intellect, heart and all senses. Psychology or sociology are my two stages, art and craft are my two hands, religion is my heart, science is my brain, observation reading are my two eyes, history is my ear, breath is my freedom. No, freedom is my breath. Education is slave of a power, king of a law, because every student study for get job, not knowledge. Every student study for his knowledge, not job.
ओके, मतलब आपकी नज़र में स्टडी नॉलेज है।
Education give knowledge,
ओके,
and there are two types of the person of world. First Buddha, second Buddhu. Which student study for knowledge, this is the Buddha, and which student study for his job, this is the Buddhu.
वेरी नाइस। तो देखा दोस्तों आपने कि राम चौहान ने हमें शिक्षा के कितने अच्छे मायने आप सभी के सामने रखे। बुद्ध और बुद्धू का कितना अच्छा एक उन्होंने बताया आपके लिए। तो आप बने रहें हमारे साथ और देखते रहें आई नो वर्ल्ड न्यूज़। नमस्कार।